Hi everyone, welcome to Module 5. This module, we're going to go over z-scores. Hopefully this is an easier topic after we kind of get into it, that you'll kind of understand the importance of using z-scores in terms of calculating and analyzing data. Go over your learning objectives, of course, and then your reading review. Make sure you read chapter 5 and just go over a couple of these videos that I have in here. The biggest thing is just understanding what z-scores are before you do your mind tap. Z-scores really just tell us how far above or below we are around the mean. So we just want to make sure that, we're understanding the importance of that and how to apply that. This video gives an example of bowling scores for 2 different years and how the data can look one way, but when you use a z-score, it actually can be interpreted a different way. So just watch these 2 different videos about z-scores and distributions, and that'll hopefully explain that a little bit more to you. Your assignments this week, of course, are chapter 5, mind tap, and then your discussion question. For your discussion this week, I really just want you to kind of look into z-scores a little bit more and use an example. So the biggest thing is you're going to want to use an APA reference for this one. I know some weeks we don't have one, but this week we do. So make sure you have at least one APA reference. And I ask you specifically about, how are you going to apply z-scores, or when would be appropriate to apply z-scores? All right. So that's one of the first questions. What are the advantages of using z-scores? When you look at the video about the bowling score, you can kind of see the advantages. So, find a reference and state that. Describe some research questions that would require the use of z-scores. So what would you be looking at that you might need to use z-scores? All right. And then are there any questions that maybe would not be appropriate for the use of z-scores? So just think about that, fill that out, find a reference, and you'll be good to go. That's really all that you have to do for chapter 5. So I hope you guys get used to z-scores, are comfortable with them, and I will see you in module 6.